Oh, thank you. Edamame. Um, can't put it back in the same container now, can I? G'day, champions. What are we doing? Oh yeah, non-alcoholic Dry July beverage review. We've got 2 beers. Again, it seems to be an endless supply of beer in this country that's non-alcoholic. Don't know. What are we up to now? There's like 25 beers or something in the list. There's more than that. That's like half of them. So we've got Lazy Hazy, non-alcoholic. I don't think I've done that one yet. And Bridge Road Brewers Free Time Pale Ale. Let's give them a run. We'll go to the free time first because who doesn't love a bit of free time? What's that? Oh, there's almost no carbonation there, it seemed like. Oh, very pale, very hazy. And this is not the hazy one. So here we go. Oh, smells good. This smells like the mountain culture ones. It smells like status quo. Oh, that's very nice. Maybe it's just that I'm getting my smell back after having a cold. It tastes like a very good beer. I'm going to enjoy that. I'll put that one aside. I'm going to give that an 8. That's probably one of the best just pales. That's the best pale. We've had really good IPA, really good wheat beer, but that's the best pale so far. Bridge Road Brewers Free Time. That's an 8 out of 10. That's a good one. Alright, let's try this Lazy Hazy by Dad and Dave's. There's a lot more of a hiss there when I open the bottle? Can. God, brain's still not working. Lot darker this colour, but it's got about as much haze as the other one. More of an amber hue. It smells a lot maltier. Almost like a real ale. Yeah. By itself it'd be really good, but I think compared to that, I'll give that one a 7. Yeah, it's a lot maltier. I don't know my tasting notes. I didn't prepare. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's got undertones of some of the lagers. It's not as dedicated pale ale as this one. This one's really good. I'd suggest getting that one. So I'll give this one a 7, and that one, let's go an 8.5 because that's a really good pale. So yeah, there's some more pretty good ones. Oh, I got that weird bubble in my throat thing going on. You ever get that, babe? No. Where you get a bubble in your throat and you speak weird for a second until you go and then it comes good. When someone's talking to you when they've got that bubble in your throat, it's really off-putting. You just want to grab them by the shoulders and go, "Can you please clear your throat before you continue talking to me?" Anyway, off topic once again. So, second last review day. Tomorrow is going to be the last one. Hopefully I've got enough time to edit some video to make the grand finale. I think we all know what it'll be. So sit tight. It'll probably come pretty late tomorrow. And then the day after that, we're going to go to the pub. And just forget all our responsibilities and get blind. No, not really.
Your mum's not watching.
Yeah, Mum will be watching. Mum will be watching. So I'll talk to you tomorrow evening, champions. I hope you enjoyed this review. The link is down below. Chuck us $10, $15, whatever. And remember, the donations continue into August. I believe they cut it off at the end of August, and then they add up the figures, and I'll get a I don't know, a drink coaster or something from them for raising above target. So thank you all who have donated. It's greatly appreciated. You're a bloody bunch of legends, and I've responded to every single donation with a comment. And thank you very much. You're all aces in my book. See you tomorrow.